Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching Virtuoso Palette, your own art channel. During the series of Endangered Animals, your valuable comments made me think to work a little more on the topic. I have brought this topic again, Endangered Animals, on mini canvas of Virtuoso Palette in silhouettes. So do give me your comments and share Virtuoso Palette with your family and friends to look, watch and observe.
Viewers, some of your comments forced me to portray the beautiful creatures fighting for their survival. Yes, another endangered animal, Asian elephant, is my topic today on your art channel, Virtuoso Palette. I have started with a blend of vermilion and magenta red for the base using a wash brush. Asian elephant is classified as endangered by the International Union of Nature. Its population has declined by an estimated 50% over the past 75 years. The two main causes for the endangerment is hunting and habitat loss. Though ivory trade is now illegal, poachers still kill for it. My stencil is visible for you, and you can see there's a wounded elephant and it trumpets while being chased by a poacher. I'm filling the figures with black. Viewers, usually I don't use pure black, but in this painting I preferred using black without any blend. Now the figure of the poacher is done. And I've started filling the elephant. You must have noticed that the figure of the elephant is a bit distorted at the back. I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. Let's get done with the filling. And here goes the stencil. Now there's a small portion near the elephant where I want to give some effect of gun smoke, you can say. I want a smudgy sort of effect here. As I told you that the elephant looks incomplete. Now this is because I intended to use some bird silhouettes here as death. Views, if you have some interest in history, many cultures view specific birds associated with death as omens of an impending death, you can say. So it's a kind of symbol I want to use here, the death birds. As the elephant is wounded, you can see birds flying away from its body. It's almost done now. I hope that the viewers who adore animals and inquired if I shall be painting on this topic more would like this perspective of my paintings too. I'll be waiting for your comments and of course your suggestions. See you in the next video with another endangered animal on your art channel, Virtuoso Palette. Bye!
Well, hope that you enjoyed the painting. See you soon with another video of endangered animals in silhouettes. Till then, take care. Bye!